Hello, random chika. So, ang experience kay yung mga customer no na kinahanglan lang gid mo basahon ang ilahang behavior sa Tagalog pa ugali ba sa Bisaya kay batasan. So, ang nitabo kay kani sa restaurant man good usually may mga restaurant na reservation. So, kani sa restaurant na among itrabahuan na reservation system na online or pwede mo tawag ka ana or naa ka sa store niya magpahimo kang reservation ana. So ang nitabo kay during peak hours, no, peak hours meaning example kung dinner 7 to 8 ana or 6:30 to 8:30 peak hours na siya. Naay waitlist. Ang kanang waitlist, muna silang mga walk-in na gusto mo huwat para makakuha silang table, para makakaon sila. So, kanang reservation, dili na sa usara ka kuan time slot, lahi-lahi na sila. So, example, mo open ang restaurant at 5, na yung mga reservation na 5 p.m. sila, na diha, or 6, 5:30 ana, or until 10, 9, 9:30 ana. So, nahitabo kay na ay waitlist. Sila na naguna sila sa reservation. So, ang akong gibuhat kay akong gipawat ang waitlist because kay technically waitlist sila, wala sila reservation, di ba? Na ang amo ang pamaagi sa restaurant. So, gipaunan ako pasulod ang reservation. Gisettle sa nako sila. Nag-explain pa ko unsaon ang ordering system, ana. So, after ana, nibalik ko sa katong waitlist na group. Ang interesting thing kay, ang customer na irate siya. Irate is kanang, mura gayong kalagot. Ana, nangutana siya, nganong gaon na to ang reserve group o pasulod pagkuha og table kaysa nila na sila gaon naman sila. Nya gasunod ra to. Akong gi-ask again, do you have a reservation? Ana. And na ni-stop siya. O siya ka reply right away, o siya ka respond. And yan siya, wala. Kumutan ko, that's right. That one before you, that one after you has a reservation. That's why I right away usher them to their table. Ano. And then after that, yan ako, you don't have to be angry because her tone was na-anger ba. So, muna siya na gani-ganing behavior na to as a person. Kinanglan, careful kayo ta sa service industry. Kay, tinuod na atay code of conduct, di ba, as a worker. At the same time, we are human, natay emotions. So ako, na-notice na ko na kanang na irate na sad po, na angry ko ba, napukaw ang angry cells, angry emotion. So, when nikalma ko, I reminded myself na I don't know what this person or what this family group of customers are experiencing, have been experiencing. Muna na it's free to be kind and to them. So I did my best to be kind ba and to be understanding as a food service worker. So I thought there was a thought in me na basi gutom ra ni or may pinagdadaanan or I don't know. There is just something happening to them or to this specific customer in the group. However, they happen to be questioning table charge during the payment phase na so last man ang payment sa restaurant. Ang nitabo kay ilang ka-question ng table charge diri sa Japan. For sa information everyone na mo visit og Japan or go-work in Japan, kibaw halos tanan tao na nasa Japan like me, I also learned this na naagi table charge. So kaning table charge, it is a form of, sa restaurant aside, as a business aside, it's a form of revenue. Ana, table charge. Ana. So sa among restaurant, it consists of free-flowing, all-you-can-eat, appetizer, and soup. Muna siya. And come in diri ang proficiency sa language, like the universal language English, kay di ba, that's why we really explain to the customer unsaon pag-order nya, why na ay table charge, and that situation really came up na i-question yun sa customer ang table charge when the possibility of it was wala siya na-explain og tarong, or we have this industry or any industry like Karen the customer ana. So but still I made a point to be kind and calm myself calm myself during the situation. So muna to siya na. And on the other hand let's be mindful, kita ba, we are all customers. Example, sa atong workplace, there are internal customers, atong mga colleagues, ana, and there are external customers. Ang mga customers good itself na nagabayad ba, ana, like sa atong industry, mga guests, muna sila mga external customers. Then kita atong mga colleagues, we are internal customers to each other. And it pays off to be kind and to be mindful ba na. At on the other hand, behavior siya, like human behavior siya sa tao. So if you exhibit behavior towards person, balik kita, service workers, manotice kayo nato na yung mga customer na flip lang yun ang behavior, no? Just manage it. Let's do our best to manage it, kay dili tanang customer buotan, dili tanang customer understanding. Lagi mga customer na atong gitawag na Karen, demanding, or they just want things in their own way, and they don't honor or respect company policies, ana. So muna siya na, it also made me amused ba na on a personal note, how you exhibit yourself to others, especially ikaw a customer ka, nya inani imong behavior towards a service worker, it does not show how incompetent, or it does not show the behavior of the service worker. Whatever you do or say as a customer shows how you are as a person. Kita as service workers, naga-profile ta. We always do our best to profile our customers because there's no one size fits all na pamaagi to serve a customer. Yes, we do have a general outline or guide how to serve a customer within our companies. However, there is a universal rule sa atong industry to treat the customers in a way na mo fit sa ilaha, how they carry themselves. Example, ang customer, prim and proper siya. Then, medyo na boundaries on how he or she answers questions. Then, inana po ta as a service worker. I-match po na to. Then, example, na customer na kanang lively. Then, lively po ang ato ang pag take care nila, pag-serve nila. And the best thing really is kanang mga kind of difficult to customer, we don't match it. We only reflect it. Like, akong ibuhat na, I ask them, how do you want to settle this, ana? And before that, I explained unsa ang table charge, why there's a table charge, ana. So, kamo mga service workers, mga nasa industry, unsa inyong mga experiences na inani? Ganahan ko makahibaw. Okay.